I'm autistic and struggle with public confrontation at the best of times. All my rights to privacy go out the window now. If I argue, she will call the police. If I walk away, I look guilty. As the station is filling up, more people are now staring at me and this woman shouting at me. I have to show her my recent photos and she accuses me of using another app. The train then pulls up and I tell her to piss off and she starts screaming pedo. I had to get off that train and wait for the next as she was following me shouting perv and pedo. I was lucky I didn't get my head kicked in, thanks to her. Can you imagine what it feels like to have 50 odd people giving you disgusted and threatening looks thanks to a shit set of circumstance?